Let's take that thought into a meditative time together. I look ahead with positive expectations. I'd like us today to have a global view. Let's look ahead globally to the kind of world that we want. The kind of world that is peaceful, abundant, that works for everyone, and everyone works for that world. Let's join our hearts and our thoughts together in that forward expectation. In your mind, can you imagine that view of the earth from space? We've all seen those pictures of this big ball, our Earth island home out in space, green and blue swirling together, white clouds going across the surface, no boundaries, no divisions. From space, there is no view of countries. There is no view of yours and mine and ours divisions. Can we imagine that world truly abundant, prosperous, beneficial, beautiful, whole for all of us? All of us as one. See that in your mind, that beautiful ball, the earth, our Earth island home. And as you see that image in your mind, let the love grow in your heart, that positive expectation that says, yes, I see you. Beautiful home. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, we affirm this beautiful home, no divisions, no separations for all.